sometimes I might. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So let's talk about ExpressVPN Surfshark so that you know exactly which one to go for as far as streaming, torrenting, or general privacy, and I'll just give you my general recommendations so that you know exactly what is the best choice for you and your situations. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in individual reviews on each of these VPNs, or if you'd like to jump straight to the pricing or discounts, you'll find everything you need in the description down below. Okay, so getting straight into things, as you can tell, there's quite a bit of a difference as far as the user interface. I would qualify ExpressVPN as the easier one to use. As you can tell, it's much more straightforward to use than Surfshark, so if you're looking for an easy VPN to use, this is definitely the one to go for. But it's not just about ease of use. Is it reliable and is it consistent? Look, at the end of the day, with ExpressVPN and Surfshark, you can access all kinds of streaming services. They're roughly the same as far as country count. So ExpressVPN has 105 countries, Surfshark has 100 countries. So it's essentially the same thing. I would just say that ExpressVPN